What is going on, guys? Today is May 27th. It's Friday at the shop. What's the plans for today, Ben?
Do a lot of work.
You heard it here first, folks. Any plans for today?
I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're probably gonna do a lot of work. I'm still drinking that. You know what I'm excited is to try the berry one.
Yeah. So as the boys said, there's a lot of work to do today. Frame production, got the shop pretty much all cleaned up, everything's looking good. The giveaway, guys, if you haven't heard, we are doing a mini trike giveaway till June 15th. Go to the site tgvshop.com, pick up a piece of merch. Every piece of merch that you buy is 10 entries to get entered into a mini trike giveaway. We're gonna be doing the entire build here on the channel. What's going on?
Bring yourself a little breakfast.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, thanks.
Sausage McMuffins.
Dang.
I'm freaking starving. Whoa,
hungry for building frames. 4 browns in here.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Oh, thanks. Starting off with the brown.
Thanks, man.
You're gonna make me drop this thing. There's a couple guys that commented on the video last night. Good to see you boys ripping.
Just so you boys know, the whole leaving the tag on things isn't just for hats anymore.
Oh, God.
I like to keep my tags back.
Damn, that's a nice fit on that thing. Jeez.
What's going on today? The Breakfast of Champions.
Little breakfast
That's how we do.
Got more shipments going out.
Holy crap. Wow. It went from 18 pounds to 44 pounds. It's like that good plastic. Back off that box, fella.
That's just a freaking another.
Slip. Man, those things are premium looking. Woo! Real nice.
Hey!
Man of his word.
There it is. Where's the hats and banners at?
Still coming. Woo! 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 Woo!
He's like squirming.
It's a nice sized bottle.
That's something you put behind your ears.
Oh yeah.
Are those all different?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah. Every single one's different. Oh yeah.
Is there any?
Well, because we have to know which ones we
right.
want to keep in stock. Who's your daddy?
What does that even mean?
Oh, you know what it means.
No, wait. Before you go through all these, I hope to God there's a pumpkin spice in there. That would make
I
it.
think I might have skipped that one.
Was it on there?
I think it was available, yeah.
No.
Rum Runner. Race Berry. There's one that's called like Race Day or something.
Pumpkin pie!
Woo! I was like, you're getting a pumpkin pie! You're getting a pumpkin pie! Clicking that mouse. I love fuel smells. Pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah. See you later. Maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
Oh yeah. Kettle corn. I mean,
the fair.
great.
I'm gonna be dumping that in my lawnmower.
Full race. This is the one I want to smell. What's full race? It smell like burnt rubber or what? Detailer when you're cleaning up your trike.
Is that from the same guy?
Yeah, it's all Wild Willie, man. Air freshener.
Oh,
You're
nice.
dangling one from the handlebars.
Nice. What's that? That's a real looking banner. Man. That's freaking awesome. With the little holes in it?
Yeah. This logo is just so cool.
Yeah.
It'd be nice if UPS guys just laugh.
Oh, yeah. He's just hearing all of this. Did you get pumpkin pie or pumpkin spice? No, I didn't.
Thanks.
Wow.
No problem. You for a large.
Ooh.
I don't know if that's can't fill out a large. You need to eat a little more. I've been Mr. Fuel Smells. We all have been for all of our life.
Got you one, Steve.
That's good.
Some may say electric.
Electric.
Man, you're looking snazzy. Give me a turnaround.
Woo!
That's a good print on that thing, man. How confident are you on a dirt bike?
Pretty confident.
Are you looking to enter a motocross
Absolutely
event?
not.
Oh, come on.
No.
Now we gotta dig through all that to find our hats.
Get out of here.
Wow, man. Thanks, Todd.
Yeah, you must have known.
Oh, 4, nice. I was hoping we didn't have to fight over these. Man, we were getting sponsored out today. Oh yeah, this is after we come off the track. You hand one of these, the Electric Monkey. Oh man.
Sweet.
Man, you look official.
Dang.
Wow. banner?
Oh, sheesh.
Oh, that's sweet with the little ties. This is like gonna be the thumbnail. Jeez, oh man!
Wow, that's big. Yeah.
Wow!
Wait till we're flying one of these behind the train.
Oh. Hey,
see
thank
man.
you.
Thanks.
I have like almost run behind and get it flying, and then like get a video.
Yeah, yeah.
Whenever you buy 5 Maxxis tires, they give you a flag.
Man, I need an electric monkey. Electrifying.
Dang! Real official looking.
Yeah, well, we got this this big Maxxis sponsorship, so we're putting the banner up, got the hat on, the shirt on. We just need a cart. All right, only got 3 more to do.
You know, and the Maxxis flag's waving.
What do you think, Steve?
I like it. I'd say we put a new one up every time somebody sends us some coffee or maybe an electric monkey.
Who's
Oh, wait.
sending the next flag in?
Yeah.
Oh wait,
Tell you what, there's some accomplishment in just seeing that flag flying.
Steve, you look like you're like just came off the motocross
Oh,
track.
dude.
Give me a
I feel
glamour
like
shot.
I just came off the motocross track, dude.
Did you win?
Yeah, one.
What was powering you?
Electric monkey, energy drink.
Case. Full pack van case. That out. Look at that Maxxis.
I go, give me the air horn real fast and then get it, but still got him. Man, that's a heck of a shot. That thing just flying in the wind. Oh, it's so cool because when you put the door down, it stays straight.
Oh. Wow.
Is that a different pair of pit vipers?
What's that? Freshies?
Those are different pit vipers. Aye, man.
He's had this probably for a couple weeks.
Yeah, those are blue with some yellow speckles.
Oh, these are fresh off the mail run.
Sweet. We're gonna blow through this in like a couple days. Which,
All right, we got more where that came from.
Carburetor, huh?
What do you got there, Benji?
With a man handle.
A man handle.
Man, that thing fits sweet.
Yeah! Oh, that's awesome. It's crazy how it just fit in there. It just looks like a whole nother animal.
Already got oil in it, topped off.